Hi everybody, it's Jill Blanchette with Green Thumb Stampers. I'm here today with another Finally Friday video, and I am going to show you a quick tip to do with your broken punches. So hang on, I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm here to solve a problem. Have you ever had one of your lockdown punches lose the slider clip that keeps it shut? Well, today I'm going to show you how to fix it. You want to take the slider piece where you'll see there's a little bit of extra space, and then like the clippy part. So in this opening, you'll want to put the clippy part toward the back. It's going to go up to the back to allow you the room to slide it down. So then you're going to just put it in there kind of sideways, lock one side down, and then just kind of push. Of course, now it's not going to go. Push down on the other side, and then you've snapped it back in place, and then it will lock your punch. It doesn't hurt anything if it pops out. It's just a nuisance to have to try and get it back in, but now you see a quick and easy way to do that. So we've solved a problem that you may have been wondering how to fix. So have a great weekend, and I'll be back again. Bye, guys. So that was really quick video this week, but it's just something I've been waiting to show you, and I'm glad that it finally happened so that I could get this video out. You guys have a great weekend. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back again. Bye.